हेलो दोस्तों। तो आज हम हमारी इंडिया आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस सीरीज़ को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। इट passed a resolution for world peace and dangers of nuclear weapons, and it proved a precursor to Belgrade Non-Alignment Conference 1961 under leadership of Nehru, Nasir of Egypt, and Tito of Yugoslavia. India also remained active member of the international bodies like UN, IMF, World Bank, etc., and sent its forces actively in international peacekeeping operations. Stance of non-alignment also helped in ensuring economic interest of India. It got help from both Western countries and Soviet Union. Its military procurement net was also cast widely, which shows its balanced approach, reduced excessive dependency on one country, and better bargaining. It got Hunter and Canberra aircrafts from UK, Mi-4 helicopters, and MiG interceptors from Soviet, Tufani aircrafts from France, Jonga jeeps and Nissan trucks from Japan, and so on. India also skillfully managed its relations with other countries. On one hand, through various agreements in 1964 to 65, Soviet Union became the biggest defense partner. On the other hand, it made US a key ally in bringing Green Revolution. Next, early leadership. Leadership included Nehru, accompanied by congressmen like Sardar Patel, C. Rajgopalachari, Morarji Desai, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, etc. And outside Congress, socialists like Acharya Narendra Dev, J.P. Narayan, and communists like P.C. Joshi, Ajay Ghosh, Dalit leaders like Baba Ambedkar, and so on. Congress enjoyed enormous support at that time, and leaders from other parties, though disagreed on certain issues, there was broad consensus on larger issues related to social change and national development. Constitu- Constituent Assembly was highly representative from all segments, and so was the first cabinet, which included 5 non-Congress persons out of total 14, like Liberal Communist Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Ambedkar, John Mathai, etc. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, first vice president and second president, was never a congressman. Patel has been grossly misunderstood leader and was accused by leftists for being rightist and by rightists for following नेहरूवियन सोशलिज्म। लेफ्टिस्ट और राइटिस्ट जो है वो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के दौरान निकले हुए दो टर्म्स हैं, जिनका मतलब होता है एक प्रोग्रेसिव है, एक ऑर्थोडॉक्स है। लेफ्टिस्ट जो रेवोल्यूशनरी लोग थे, जो मोनार्क के अगेंस्ट थे, उन्हें बोला गया। राइटर्स व ऑर्थोडॉक्स थे, जो मोनार्कल सिस्टम को सपोर्ट करते थे और किसी भी प्रोग्रेसिव चीज़ को या इक्वालिटी, सोशलिज्म, कम्युनिज्म के अगेंस्ट थे। He shared the ideals of national movement and was strictly opposed to communalism and landlordism. He did supported capitalism but for the growth of nation and social development, and this was also the reason that he supported right to property as a fundamental right despite opposition of Nehru. He had an austere lifestyle and had a zero tolerance for corruption. Austere का मतलब है साधारण, सीधा साधा सा. He died in December 1950, leaving behind a unified India. Next, relations with Pakistan. Despite the bitterness generated by Kashmir issue and communal massacre, India tried to adopt a generous and friendly attitude towards Pakistan. It gave rupees 550 million to Pakistan for its assets in India on insistence of Gandhiji going on fast. It also tried to mollify communal sentiments and urged Pakistan to protect minorities as a matter of duty. Nehru even signed Nehru Liaquat Pact with the then PM of Pakistan to prevent communal killings of Hindus in East Pakistan and Muslims in West Bengal. That, however, didn't stop killings and refugee immigration. India also showed its generous in Indus Water Treaty, which was facilitated by World Bank and allowed Pakistan to take major share of its waters. Generousness matlab भूस्वामित्व. Thank you.